learned about the perimeter, the total length of shape's outline. Now, how about the inner area of the shape? Area is the measurement of the entire surface of the shape. When you color inside a shape entirely, that's the area of the shape. In this square shape, we color it with purple color, and that's the area of the square shape. Got it? Now, how to calculate this area of the square shape? Here! Now, the big square shape is broken into small squares inside it. As we know here that each side's length of this big square is 5 cm long, and each small square inside represents 1 cm long. Finding the area of this square shape is the same as finding how many small squares can fit into that big square shape. When you count all the small squares inside the shape, you will get that the total of all small squares inside is 25 small squares. So this 25 small squares is actually the total area of the big square. The formula for calculating the area of the square shape is side length multiplied by side length. Square area equals to 5 centimeters multiplied by 5 centimeters equals to 25 square centimeter. For calculating area, remember the result is in square of unit of measurement. In this case, the unit of measurement is in centimeter. So the result is square centimeter. Hey, Ninja, do you know why area result ends with square unit of measurement? Okay, let me answer this. Because area is two-dimensional shape, it has length and width. 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter equals to square centimeter. So, two-dimensional shape's area is represented in square units. Now, what is the area of a rectangle? Do you know? Let's see the formula. Rectangle area equals to length multiplied by its width. Rectangle area equals to 7 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters equals to 21 square centimeters. Don't forget the square unit sign at the end. 21 square centimeters. Yay! Awesome! Excellent, everyone! Great work!